Hey everyone, today we are checking out these full coverage floor mats from Yeslak. Check these things out. Not only are they made out of this really slick material, it's some kind of TPU coated with something, but it's really nice, it's really slick. It's like a little bit grippy, but stuff, when you get it on there, it just like wipes right off. Not only is it made out of this really nice material, but check this out. Boom, carpeting, like primo carpeting that just clips right on, right here, like this, like this. It's a little bent up. I just pulled it out of the box, trying to put it out here in the sun to get it like straightened out a little bit, like, you know, what's going on here. But yeah, you just kind of bend it back into place, and as you can see, this is like full coverage. You know, this piece here, that it covers all the side carpeting on your car that gets like super dirty just getting in and out of the car. I have these on my current Model 3 Highland. I'm about to put them on a friend's Model Y, and I was just telling him how much I love these things, again, just because it's like full coverage. Mine, however, does not have this carpet option, which I love. This thing is fantastic. You can either keep this in the, like, you know, I'm always torn. In the wintertime, it's like, this is nice to have just because it soaks up all the melted snow and ice and everything else. But then at the same time, it gets dirty, and I don't want it to get dirty. So whatever you want to do, whatever you decide to do, leave it in or pop them out and just go with this for, you know, the winter season, or vice versa, whatever. I don't know. That's what's so great about this. It's your choice. Mine just has basically this material here. I love it. Yeah, also, you know, it's, again, full coverage. So the whole footrest here. Some of the mats only like cover here, and then everything in between just gets filthy and dirty. Also, you've got these raised areas all the way around, so when you do get a lot of water in here, which you will eventually, it doesn't go sloshing off on the sides of the car, again, getting in the factory carpet. You don't want that. So we're going to put the fronts and the back in. Real easy to do. Throw the carpeting down there and show you what it looks like inside the car. Fit and finish, that whole deal. So, all right, let's get on with it. And please use the discount links below. They will save you the most amount of money. A lot of times they'll save you an extra 1 or 2% over the codes that they're always throwing out at you. And I would appreciate it. It really helps me out. Use the link, use my code, Tesla Mark, and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get going. It's that easy. Check that out. Wow. All right, that is looking good. Now, boom. Carpeting. Let's snap this down. Oh, check that out. This will conform after a bit. Otherwise, this looks good. Now, this is the base Model 3, which I have not seen before. So we lose a little bit of the benefit of having these this full coverage on this car, because on the base, turns out that they already have like this plastic molding goes all the way across here, which is way different than any of the other cars. So anyway, you lose some of the benefit of having this. However, still very nice. Something else you could do is this molding. Let me show you this molding here. Bonus. So this molding just pulls out. There's not even adhesive in here, so it just pulls out and you can put it right back. But what you can do, if you want like a super nice look, super integrated look, is check this out. You see that? Ooh, that's even better. All right, let's get that driver's side done too. Just like that, boom, it's in. Now again, I'm gonna do the super premium effect here, I think, just because it looks so much better. look at this, even back here. It goes all the way up the front of the back seat, so like any heel kicks or anything goes all the way up. That's fantastic. Then here, super nice fit all the way around. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks really good. Dang. Alright, these are even better than I thought.